Nag-init si John Renz 10 points agad within 5 minutes. Panis si Long Bomb walang bawi. Pagtira ng tres ni Kobe, pumana pa, nagkagulo ang crowd. Muntik pa magsuntukan ng dalawa, parehas ejected sa court. Poy-Poy Aktub windmill dunk, puro showtime sa Marikina, sumalampak din si Mark Pingris. Eto na, Kobe ng Pinas, John Renz Jacob versus Steph Curry ng Pinas, Mr. Long Bomb sa PSL. Battle of person with disability nangyari na sa pro. Kaya panoorin natin ang highlights ng kanilang laban.
Curva squaring up for three. Yes, sir. Roca Curva, will it be 2 for 2? Yes! Jacob not giving an inch. Started by Dewey. Jacob. The layup is up and in! Floater there. Roca Curva umangat at pinasok.
Akong pagod. These are the words of John Jacob as he stepped into this professional team.
But back attempt, no good as well, but stolen. Jacob underneath. The reverse goes in.
Should I say?
Three. Gets a screen from Maestre. Step back three. On the way. Yes, sir.
Focusing their attention on those two, Jacob and Bowie. Eventually, it was
Aktub, open court. This is where he likes it. And Aktub is fouled.
to call him Lakay
Ayun.
watching
Si
Aktub
Poy-Poy.
play. Parang
Hindi, meron din silang isa dyan. Si KG Canyaleta was also a high flyer.
Mark
Pick the long and on the other side, oh, there is some friction.
to take things on his own.
And on his part, yun din yung kailangan pa niyang matutuwa. White goes up for the shot. Yes.
Make a contribution and earn more minutes.
As Mac Cardon.
SL, known more as a defensive player. That was his identity during East.
And eto ngayon ang isa pang sensational player. Boy, sabi ni Maestre, pwede kang pumunta dun sa kaliwa. Aktub, libre sa tres. And Roca Curva pushes it ahead to Bam Lopez. Extra pass to Poy-Poy Aktub.
To do is they have to contain Roca Curva who now has 13 points, 2 rebounds, and I think Ballesteros will...
Oh my gosh, I had to cut you off there. Nandiyan pa rin si Poy-Poy. Bam point for three.
But I think
Basibas, nagmamadali. Basibas, the shot is up and in. This is only the third game of Carly Lastimosa. Bamboy Rip. What youth can do.
youth.
Yeah, youth.
You're talking about
Oo.
youth. Chris.
Nice find. Hindi nga lang naipasok ulit ni Ping. Oh, 360 layup. And almost got the rebound there. And here comes Poy-Poy for a slam! Here's Poy-Poy. Oh, the layup is off, but Cardona is there to clean it up.